Biggest public speaking mistake everyone makes. Do you want to know it? Let me ask you a question. Why do some presentations feel powerful while others feel completely forgettable? Often the speaker is intelligent, well equipped, they prepared decorative slides, they practiced the content, yet something still feels wrong. What is that? Because most speakers make one critical mistake, a mistake that instantly disconnects the audience, and once you disconnect it, you can't grab the attention. The biggest public speaking mistake is simple. People focus on information instead of the connection. Most speakers prepare like this: slides, statistics, bullet points, and explanations. But the audience does not remember the slides, they remember how you made them feel. When your presentation became a data dump, the audience stopped listening. The speaker is talking, but the audience is mentally somewhere else. Let us imagine a familiar situation of the business presentation. The speaker walks to the front. They immediately open their laptop and start reading the slides one by one. Today we will discuss quarterly performance metrics. Slide 1, 2, 3, slide after slide appearing. Beautiful graphs, numbers, bullet points. After 5 minutes, the audience is checking their phones. But now imagine a different speaker. They walk on the stage and say, "Last year, our company almost lost its biggest client." Suddenly, the room is quiet. Same topic, but now the audience is curious. Who is that client? How we lost him? Because the second speaker created connection before providing the information and graphs. So let me give you a framework how you can make your presentations much better to avoid the biggest mistake of public speaking. The CARE method, CARE: connection, attention, relevance, and explanation. First, connection. Start with a human moment before sharing information. Instead of "today we will discuss sales performance, quarterly result," start with last year. We almost lost a biggest customer. Now people feel emotionally involved because they are also part of that company and they also lost the customer. Number two, attention. Create curiosity. Once you connect, capture the attention. We discovered something surprising about why our customer left. Curiosity pulls the audience into the story. Number three, relevance. So why it matters. Explain why the topic matters to them. If we understand this pattern, we can double our retention rate of our biggest customer. Now the audience see the value in the presentation. Start explanation now. For deliver the information only after connection and curiosity has been raised. Here are the three reasons for our customer to leave. Now the audience is ready to listen to you. Let me demonstrate in a realistic situation. Same example. Today I will present the quarterly revenue results. The audience disengages very easily and a very strong presentation. Last quarter we lost a customer. Do you want to know the reason? That experience taught us something valuable to make better decisions. Let us discuss. Immediately curiosity comes, same information. Now the audience is emotionally involved to know because they see the value in retention of the customers as a company. When you shift your focus from information to connection, something changes. Your audience leans forward and they listen longer. They remember your message because public speaking is not about delivering information. It is about creating an experience. And when you learn that skill, your voice becomes powerful. That is the essence of VAAK, the creative power of your word and voice. If you want to master public speaking, communication skills, psychology of influence, subscribe to this channel, Walk, because your voice can transform how people understand your ideas. And when your voice becomes powerful, your influence grows.